right here with Inside the Classroom. Today we're going to be going inside the zoology classroom where today they're actually doing a dissection of dogfish. We're going to be talking to both the teacher as well as some of the students about what they're doing and their favorite parts of the class. So let's go! So we are here in the zoology class and we were just wondering what you guys are doing right now.
Yep, so invertebrate biology, aka zoology, we are currently dissecting a dogfish shark today. For the past 2 or 3 weeks, we've been studying the history of fish, the anatomy and the physiology of fish. So today, we're actually dissecting, this is our first dissection, and they are dissecting a dogfish shark, which is a cartilaginous fish.
Cool. So what would be the value in learning about a fish or a shark or whatever, and then actually going and dissecting it yourself?
Yep. So they learn so much from the hands-on opportunity they first learn the information in class, in the classroom, and then are able to go in there and actually, by opening it up and seeing everything that we've talked about, the digestive system, the gills, the brain, they can put, it's much more of a hands-on opportunity for them to make that connection a lot stronger.
Yeah, that's so cool. Thank you so much. Now we're going to take a look at some individual people who are actually dissecting right now.
What's the day they have broken down fish?
Oh yeah.
That's the first episode in
Of what?
The Office.
Oh my god, that show is freaking amazing.
Unlike the heart of mammals and birds, the heart of the shark transports more deoxygenated blood. Where do you think the blood is oxygenated in the shark? All together.
Okay, show me the
So this is, do you want to get a shot of this?
Sure, that looks great.
Yeah, look at it.
And
This is like, this is that thing on the paper.
It's going to be like the sound.
What are we going to right now? Is this the esophagus?
This is the
Large intestine. I guess there might be a fish in here. We're just cutting through to see what's inside the stomach lining. Acting like I know what I'm doing.
It's more just digested stuff.
You could just squeeze it out.
I don't want to squeeze it out.
Maybe that little thing is the gallbladder. No, that's
Is there actually something in there?
Oh, wait. There is something in there. I feel it. You have to cut it open.
something.
You gotta cut it open.
Oh my god, it's like mango.
What do we like cut it open? It's literally just
You have to locate the gallbladder.
Oh boy.
So we are here with Viv Stansel from the zoology class. So what are you guys doing right now?
We just finished our unit on fish, so we're doing a spiny dogfish dissection.
Cool. So why did you decide to take zoology out of all of the biology classes that you could have taken?
I'm taking like 4 science classes, and I was just really excited about this one because it's really, I want to do like wildlife biology and zoology, so it's really specific to the actual things that I want to do in college.
Cool. So what would you say are your favorite parts about zoology?
I like the dissections. I like the cutting into things part.
That's cool. Well, thank you so much, Viv.
Thank you.
So we're here with Oz, and so why did you decide to take zoology, Oz?
I don't know. You know, I like science, and this seemed like the most exciting class, so yeah, I decided to take zoology.
So what are you guys doing right now?
We're dissecting a dogfish, which is a shark.
And what do you have in your hand? Is that part of the dissection?
Yeah, we found a squid, you can tell by the little like flappy things on the top in the stomach of our dogfish, so at least it was fed before it died.
Pretty cool. So what are your favorite parts about zoology?
I really like the dissecting. Like last week we dissected a thresher shark, which was really fun.
Cool. All right, well, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you to have me. Like I love it.
So what is that?
So the dogfish
How's the
lens,
inside
like
surface
islands.
area maximized?
Nice.
So finally we're here with Jake. And so Jake, why did you decide to take zoology?
I took zoology because some of my friends recommended it, and because of the science path I wanted to go on in college. I wanted to get a more developed science background.
And what are you guys doing in zoology right now?
Right now we're on the fish topic, so we're learning about like fish, both cartilaginous and bony fish, and yeah, so fish right now.
Cool, so what are your favorite parts about zoology so far?
My favorite parts about zoology, like today we're doing a dissection, which is really cool, and then the other parts would just be kind of like the overall encompassing like biology of it. You learn about so many different things in the class instead of one specific thing.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Yeah.
So this has been Abby Wright with Inside the Classroom. I hope you've learned a lot about the zoology class and dissecting dogfish today.